This is Heart to Engine. Today we're going to be putting a brush guard on my Trailblazer. Alright. So this is how it looks before the brush guards. I love it. I just wanted to see how it looks. So yes, I did buy one just to test it out. And later on, I regret it, but it is what it is. I bought it. She looks beautiful. Beautiful. So come with me. We're going to go get the box. See, this is the box they came with. I already took some packages out. But, you know, it's underneath. I put it down there. Nobody could steal it. I don't live in a nice area. So I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod. So this is me grabbing the box. I'm gonna do it as careful as I can. I already opened it, but you know, gotta do it careful. That's a nice sweater. I love my sweater. They're gonna be soon available in the gift shop. Look at that beautiful sweater. Beautiful. Alright, so this is the piece. So I like how they wrapped it, but even while it was well protected, I think some parts were already scratched. I didn't scratch any of them, but some already can scratch. But that's why I negotiated online. You can negotiate some of these parts. You know, I got this on eBay. You can negotiate the parts on eBay. Send them an offer. The worst thing to say is no. Okay, so this is the only instruction I got. Just one sheet. That simple. So estas son las extracciones que llegó en las piezas. Casi no llegó nada. So I just got a sheet. So these are the brackets that came in with the brush guard. Out of 10, I give them a solid 7.5. So once you start bending metal, if you don't prepare the steel, they will start cracking towards the end or wherever you bend it. And over time, they will lead to, you know, cracking through. So this is considered failure. But over just for the brush guard, it's all right. Just an FYI. Okay, so I'm underneath the car. Está abajo del carro. This is the radiator. Este es mi radiador. The bracket's gonna go in there. So, let me get it ready. It's gonna go in a weird, odd way. I do gotta mention, I'm gonna have to probably cut this lip here, because the brackets are gonna hit it. This lower lip. And I'll probably cut it. Hopefully, clean cut. I will let you guys see it. So, the bracket. Bracket. Gonna go right there. So the bracket's gonna go right there. There's two holes to the side. One, two, and one in the front. You're gonna install it just like so, like that. And that's what I mean. I'm about to cut that off. This is one piece. So it's gonna be hitting there. All right. Take your time, you guys. You don't want this bracket falling out of your head. Finish installing these. You see I have one bolt, two bolts, and three up there. I think it's a 1/4 inch steel. It's slotted, so you can angle it how you want it, but I want to try to keep it straight as possible. And I probably have to trim a little bit here, but hope you know this video helps anybody installing these. You know, I didn't come with instructions, but you know, simple to follow. So cuando instales la pieza tienes 3 hoyos, 1, 2 y 3. Cuando todo esto del metal es slotted, so lo puedes mover así como quieras para yo poner el derecho que se puede. Y voy a tener que cortar un poquito acá arriba y eso es todo. Ahorita voy a poner el otro y seguirle. One size 16 mm. They're both size 16 mm. So son 16. They're 16, both sides. Here's the ratchet on the outside. And hold it. pliers. Nothing fancy. So I ran into an issue. Yeah, that's not straight at all. Not that derecho ni nada. Now I wonder why this car was in auction. I guess it was hit from the front. See how perfect straight that side is? Yeah, I'm about to fix that. So the video has to be postponed until I fix it. Alright, cool. So the plan is to use this pry bar to bend it this way. Then I go push it that way for I can put my bull bar. So el plan es pujar este para acá. Then push it towards the front, push it para frente. So let me see if I can do it. My pry bar. Like to mention, I'm not a body shop. It's not totally lined at all, but hopefully putting the other part in will line it up. Be using a size 19 12 point. Okay, so I'm just testing out how it looks just with the front part. Just with that part, that's how it looks. I'm gonna grab video how it looks put in the other parts. So that's a DIY video how to start one of these. It is simple. I did it by myself. Anybody could do it, and I love it. I love where the build is going. You know, if you have any questions, please comment, and remember to subscribe.